people in the previous administration to grab land for this university.
Azijinga gejeje mokonyo ibumura ibwense Rigathi Gachagua na nyarakawateba emeroberi ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza begetana sogosira Kisemi ana somoroberi OCBs boigomora yoyo na motogia umowasiri bwe Kisemi Ezekiel Machogu asemeroberi miya agenda kupeka Kisemi.
Report on the Presidential Working Party on education reforms will be out next year, so that we set out what we need to do about our universities, about the CBC, and other requirements of areas where we have a bit of challenge, so that we can streamline our education sector. I really want to salute the new Minister for Education, the Honorable Ezekiel Machogu, for pragmatic leadership that he has exhibited since he was given the opportunity to lead this great sector. And Waziri, you have our support, and we want to encourage